Welcome back to the channel. Mike is here and I got some news, so we'll just jump right into it. Hi guys, how you doing? I'm doing great, and as you might remember, we were spending quite a time in the garage with the GSX-R 600, getting it ready for the track and ready for to fire it on the straight as well. So I'm kind of focusing on the Suzuki at this point, and you might remember that I said like 2 months ago, probably in the video about a channel update, which you can see right there if you want to. And the truth is that Yamaha R6 was sold. It has a new owner for quite a while, quite a couple of weeks. So at this point, I kind of gave a thought to the channel, what to do next and how to continue. And I'm trying to focus on the track riding at this point because I don't have a road-worthy motorcycle right now, but something is kind of like shaping itself up, so we'll see what the future brings. But at this point, I don't really have an option to ride anything on the road. And one of the plans is that I'll try to do some test rides. There's some test riding for Honda, some Yamaha, Kawasaki was going to be available. I can say right now that I have been on Honda Open Test Days 2022. And I have test ridden 3 motorcycles, so you will see this really soon on the channel. I'm working on the post-processing of the videos, so you can look forward to Honda NT 1100, which is a brand new motorcycle for 2022, for CB650R, which is kind of like a cafe racer, neo cafe, naked bike, like middle class. And for the NC 750X, which is kind of like a lightweight tourer. So this is coming to the channel in the next couple of days, probably tops like 2 or 3 weeks. It depends how I get myself focused on the work and on the channel. And this is one of the reasons why I decided to change a name of the channel. So MajkiR6 will be a history at this point, and also the logo at the beginning, that kind of glitchy effect for the MajkiR6, because R6 will not be a part of this channel anymore. And I'm not really thinking about buying another R6 in the near future. If I go for some motorcycle in the future, used or new one, it won't be R6. Don't take me wrong, I love the R6, but I kind of want to go all over the place with the choices. So naked bike, tourer bike, cafe racer bike, I don't know, adventure, cruiser, I don't really know which way I'm gonna go. But however, it won't be R6. If I go with the way of super sport, I would like to try like CBR 600 or Kawasaki ZX-6R Ninja, because I did my time on R6. I would like to have R6 as an option, but for the main bike I would go for something else. So due to this fact and due to this decision, MajkiR6 will be changed to a MajkiMoto channel. I'll go with a MajkiMoto channel. That will be like a main name for the channel itself. The logo would be MajkiMoto, which is kind of like a MajkiMoto. Makes sense, right? But that allows me to kind of focus on the motorsport, or let's say motorcycle world itself in general. I don't have to focus myself on some single bike. I can go for test rides, whatever I want and whatever is available. Also to include that track riding, which is like a really big plan of 2022. So we'll see how the plans goes, how my work will allow me on motorcycles, riding, test riding, maintenance, upgrading, stuff like that. We might do some giveaways in the future, but we'll see about that as well. But there are a lot of plans, and hopefully I'll do some trips with my friends as well. That's also a big part of the future. But first of all, I need to get some roadworthy bike. I cannot be on the slicks on a track special. Let's not call it special. On a track oriented bike. That's more like it. So this is the update for the channel. I guess I'll see you on those Honda test days on the first review of this year of Honda motorcycle. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and a comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the review in the next one. See you next time.